Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I will show you how to delete and change the order of your shortcuts. Let's fire up the app. As you can see, I have many more shortcuts now. Let's say I want to delete display shortcut because I don't need it anymore. What you need to do is click on the display shortcut and hold your finger on it. In other words, you need to do a long press. As you can see, the shortcut is now selected and 3 buttons have appeared at the bottom. You can select all, deselect all. I select the display shortcut again. You can add more to the selection by clicking on other shortcuts. For the first selection, you need the long press, then to add more to the selection, short press is enough. To undo a shortcut selection, do a short press again on the selected shortcut. Okay, I just select the display shortcut and hit delete. That's about shortcut deletion. Now let's see how to reorganize your shortcuts. Click and hold again on a shortcut. Then move your finger over another shortcut. You can see that the icon from the first selection is following your finger and the second shortcut was highlighted in green. If you release your finger now, the shortcuts will swap. With this technique, you can reorganize your shortcuts. That's it for this tutorial. In the next one, I will explain to you the options menu.